Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to discuss how to unzip files on Mac. If you have downloaded a zip file and you don't know how to open it, extract it or access the files inside, don't worry, Mac makes it super easy. I will show you multiple methods step by step, including how to unzip files with a simple double click, how to use Finder, and even what to do if the zip file is not opening properly. So let's get started. Before we begin, let's quickly understand what a zip file actually is. A zip file is basically a compressed folder, as you can see on my desktop as well. It reduces the file size and keeps multiple files organized in one package. For example, when you download software, documents, photos, or large projects from the internet, they often come in a zip format to save space and make downloading faster. To use the files inside, you need to unzip or extract them. Okay, so the method number 1. This is the easiest and most common method. First, locate your zip file. Usually downloaded zip files are stored inside the download folder, but I have placed this on my desktop. Now simply double click it. Now Mac will automatically start extracting the content. As you can see, the file is extracted. After a few seconds, you will see a new folder appear in the same location. The folder contains all the files from the zip archive. For example, if the zip file is called photo.zip, the extracted folder will usually be named photos. But my name is here. How to scroll down on MacBook, it is named here zip file, but now after extracting this, it is named .mp4 because it is on mp4 format. Now you can open the folder and access all your files. Now you can watch this easily. Now let's come to the method 2. Right click on it, open. As you can see, the file is extracted. Mac's built-in archive utility will automatically extract the files for you. This method is useful if double-clicking does not work properly. Let's come to method 3, using archive utility. Mac has a built-in tool called archive utility. This tool handles zip files automatically in the background. If zip files are not opening correctly, you can manually use archive utility. First, right-click on the zip file, choose open with. Now you can see here archive utility. The extraction process will begin immediately after clicking on this. As you can see on my screen, it is extracted successfully. This is helpful if another app is interfering with zip files on your Mac. What if the zip file won't open? Sometimes zip file may not open correctly. Here are few quick fixes. First, re-download the zip file from the original path. The second, check storage space. Many times the file will not extract because you do not have enough storage to extract the file. Make sure your Mac have enough free storage. Third, restart your Mac. A simple reboot can fix temporary issues. And the last one, you have to use third-party apps for this, like the Unarchiver, Unzip, Zip can help open difficult archive files. Now I'm going to give you some bonus tips. You can also create zip files on Mac very easily. How to do it? Just right click on this file you want to make zip file. Then on this you can see here the option meant compress. Just click on this compress. As you can see, it is compressing and making a zip file of this mp4, as you can see on my screen. So this is the easiest way to make a zip file as well. And that's how you unzip files on a Mac. As you can see, it's actually very simple once you know the steps. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment below if you want more Mac tutorials. Thank you for watching.